Driving with a check engine light can be stressful, especially when a code like P002F pops up. But let's translate that technical jargon into something you can actually use. This code indicates a camshaft profile control circuit high on bank 2. Your engine uses a sophisticated system to change the profile or shape of the camshaft lobes while the engine is running. This isn't magic, it is mechanics. By changing the profile, the engine can switch between being a fuel-sipping commuter and a high-performance machine instantly. The code P002F specifically tells us that the engine control module, or ECM, is seeing a signal voltage that is higher than the expected limit on the bank 2 side of the engine. Bank 2 is the cylinder bank that does not have cylinder number 1. When this high voltage condition exists, the computer cannot control the valve lift properly. As a result, you are going to feel a significant drop in performance. Your acceleration will be weak, your fuel economy will get worse, and the power bands of the engine will feel shifted or wrong. The causes for a circuit high code can range from a short to power in the wiring harness to a stuck solenoid. However, do not overlook the most common culprit: engine oil. This entire system is hydraulic. It uses oil pressure to physically move components. If your oil is contaminated with debris, or if you are using an oil that is too thick for the engine's design, it can cause the solenoid to stick or the valve to fail, triggering this code. Your first step in fixing this is simpler than you might think. Check your maintenance records and your dipstick. If the oil is dirty, change it immediately with the manufacturer's specified viscosity. Do not guess on the oil weight. Modern engines are very sensitive to this. If the oil is fresh, you need to look at the electrical connector for the bank 2 solenoid. Disconnect it and look for broken plastic tabs or pushed-out pins. Using electrical contact cleaner here is a great way to rule out a bad connection. Check the wires to see if they're pinched or damaged. If the wiring looks perfect and fresh oil does not turn off the light after a few drive cycles, the solenoid itself might be internally failed in the open position, or there could be a deeper mechanical issue. At that point, it is best to hand the keys to a professional technician to avoid causing damage to the internal engine components.